Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a powerful project plan in Monday.com and even give you a template you can start using right away. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up your project from scratch, organize tasks, assign team members, and leverage Monday.com's awesome features to keep everything on track. If you're new to project management tools or just want a smoother, more efficient way to run your next project, stick with me for these approachable, step-by-step instructions. Let's dive right in. First, as soon as you're inside your Monday.com workspace, look for a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding pretty much anything new. Go ahead and click that plus. This brings up your options for creating new items in your workspace. Now, instead of starting from a blank slate, let's use the Template Center. It's a huge time saver because Monday.com has pre-made templates for all sorts of workflows, including project plans. Click into the Template Center, and don't worry if it takes a moment to load, then type Project Plan in the search bar. You'll see a range of template options here. Pick the one that looks closest to what you need. Using a template isn't cheating. It gives you a solid foundation, which you can easily tailor to your unique project. With your template set up, you'll see your new board, probably with some sample items in there already. Now it's time to organize your work. To keep things neat and navigable, add groups. Groups in Monday.com are like folders. They're perfect for dividing work into stages, departments, or any logical sections. For example, if you're launching a new product, you might have groups for research, design, development, and marketing. To add a group, head to the New Item drop-down menu and select Add Group. Give each group a descriptive name so it's crystal clear what's inside. Next, populate each group with tasks. Click Add Task, and you can start listing out everything that needs doing. Think of tasks like the individual steps in a recipe, every ingredient, every action. The more specific you are here, the easier it'll be to track progress. For each task, fill in relevant fields. Monday.com lets you add custom columns for things like due dates, status, priorities, files, or even budget amounts. This is where your plan really becomes actionable. Spend a minute thinking about what details would help you and your team keep the project moving. Don't be afraid to add columns that fit your workflow. Now, it's time to get people involved. Add a person to work on each task. This is the who for every goal. Assigning tasks helps everyone know what's expected and who's leading each part of the project. You'll see everyone's names or avatars. Just click and select. If you're not sure who should tackle a particular item, you can always leave it blank and fill it in later. Or tag a colleague to ask for volunteers. A feature that's easy to overlook but super valuable is adding a view. Monday.com offers different views like Kanban, Timeline, or Calendar, so you can visualize your plan in the way that makes sense for you and your team. Switch to a timeline view for long projects, or use Kanban for tracking stages. This flexibility helps everyone see the plan from their own perspective, which is great for communication. If you want to take things to the next level, consider adding automations or integrating Monday.com with other apps. Automations can handle routine updates, like sending notifications when deadlines change or moving tasks when they're marked complete. Integrations can link Monday.com to Slack, Google Calendar, or other tools you use every day, syncing information and saving you manual steps. It might sound technical, but the setup is usually just a few clicks. Monday.com walks you through each option, so experiment and see what makes life easier. Finally, don't keep your plan to yourself. Use the share function or invite collaborators so everyone involved can see and interact with your project. It's easy. Just choose who you want to invite and they'll get instant access. Collaborating in real time means fewer emails and way better transparency. So that's the complete process to create your project plan on Monday.com using a template. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Monday.com tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, real-world tutorials. Good luck with your next big project.